This is POCO X3 GT, and today I will show how you can set up and use the nearby share feature on this device. Firstly, I recommend that you turn on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Then amongst the available control panel shortcuts, find the one that is responsible for the nearby share, touch and hold at its icon. Now you can simply turn it on by toggling the Use Nearby Share switch. Then you can rename your device if you want to. You can also manage and control your device visibility, or restrict it, or not restrict it at all. Then you can manage what data mode will be used for the file transfer or network type, and everything is set up and ready to be used. So let's test it out. So here is the screenshot I took, and I'll just try sending it through the nearby share option. So as you can see, the picture was sent and received successfully. So that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.